Sanibonani Dumilangu Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat and fix, destroy, and neutralize. I'm back and I'm brother and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumilangu Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana Na. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
Simfanele sma. Uzoshuta akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
No, manje What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Welcome, is it them? Okay. We're just trying to confirm if we found a couple, and Welcome has just said he definitely found a couple and they're coming this way. So Welcome, Sibatasha Lap. What if they're going that way? Stunning, perfect. Hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. I'm so sorry to ambush you guys. I'm sorry. I'm Lisa from CMTV, right?
Okay.
We basically just go around asking couples questions.
Right.
Okay.
Yes. Are you guys a couple?
Yes.
Can I ask you questions?
Yes, you can.
I can.
Hey, Maraish.
Why are you scared? Come this side. Why are you scared? Why?
Okay.
I'm not gonna rob you.
I know. You look beautiful, but
Come this way, please. You don't trust me.
no, I don't.
Why?
I'm such
I'm come here, lovey. He doesn't trust really.
Yeah.
I'm such a sweet bundle of joy.
Okay.
Please.
Cocomelon.
Yes. Name, please.
Kamukhalo.
Kamukhalo.
Yeah.
Okay, and?
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga. Why do you guys look like siblings?
No, we
No, we don't.
Yeah, you guys look the same.
don't.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
This is
No, you guys look alike. Okay, fine. How long have you guys been together?
6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
All right. And how's it been? Has it been
it's fine. Siyayicenga, siyayiqhuba.
ngempilo
Yes.
together,
Yes.
struggling through life together
Yes.
as a young couple?
Yes.
I hope she's not asking for ukubheja because we're all building, we're young.
Siyayilontuza leyo, kancane.
What does that mean?
Ngathini eshangazi. Ngiyamupha yena kodwa imali. Hayi ukuthi angimuphi kodwa ngiyamupha.
Here and there.
Wazama shame. Yeah, wazama shame.
I hope you're not abusing him though, because we're all young and we're building and stuff. We're building our lives
Actually, make him abuse shame like
financially.
Never shame.
'Cause you guys are both young.
Physically, never.
Physical.
Never.
Oh, I didn't get your name.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga.
Yes.
All right. And you said you've been together for 6 months.
Yes, ma'am.
Where did you meet her?
Ko Jozi nikitsamani li December. Yeah, nikiya ko Magaeng. So I'm Zulu. Angazwa
okay.
ngikhuluma iSotho manje.
Okay.
Okay. Bengiye emakhaya, sahlangana nentokazi enhle.
And she's pretty. She's very pretty.
Very much.
Yes.
Very much. So ngahlangana nentokazi enhle. Eye contact, yonke into mnandi, uphethe into engiyiphethe. So yonke into bemnandi.
Okay.
Yes.
And again, do you trust him?
Yes, I'm trusting him. Yeah.
From a scale of 1 to 10.
Yeah. From the bottom of my heart.
Oh, all of your soul. Yeah. What about you, sir?
We trust. Angeke ngithi fully.
Hi.
No, I can't.
Siyabonga.
It might be out of 10, ngamnikeza 7.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah.
I mean, you've been together for 6 months. She hasn't
Yeah.
earned your trust.
Yes.
You know what I mean? But has anything dodgy happened over the 6 months?
No.
Nothing. And so you trust her?
Yes.
Okay.
7. Not.
Okay. But and the three is still gonna come.
Yes, it's still gonna come.
Okay, let me get straight to the point, guys. So here on the show, we basically switch phones. We do a loyalty test.
Okay.
Yes. So he checks your phone, and you check. Oh, sorry, and then you check his.
Why?
Because we're testing your loyalty, Angit.
Yeah, I shame. Uzenenye lo sis lo.
What are you doing with your phone? Are you gonna give it to me?
No, hayi mina ngina stress singayenza mina.
Oh!
Why?
No stress.
Kamo.
Hey, lo sis lo.
You have no issue. Kamo, my doll.
Okay.
Thank you, phone. You just said okay. Did you just say okay?
This is okay, but now why?
Inda.
But
Can
why are you so...
my phone?
No, why
No.
Ukhona mas. Hey bana.
Kamo, you hiding something.
No, I'm not hiding nothing.
Let me see your phone, Kaluk. But your man will check your phone. I'm not gonna check your phone.
Kulek.
Yeah.
Kulek.
Yo, guys.
Yini nenkinga?
What's the issue?
Ish.
Thank you. Talking about girls with frontals, it's you we need to be worried about. Give me your phone. We'll start with yours. Okay, do you have a passcode or anything?
Yes, I do.
All right. Okay. On his WhatsApp, ne?
Okay.
Okay. Type, what does it type in English or Zulu or what?
English.
Okay, I love you.
It's only me. I'm appearing here.
Yeah. That's good. Why does it sound like you're complaining?
No,
Delete. Why is she complaining? Okay, I miss you.
It's me
That's
and
you.
Mada and his little sister. Yeah.
Oh, girl, delete. Okay, type outside. Let's see who he's fetching.
Yeah.
Outside.
Akhuleka mama ngekuthole lutho.
No, that's you. He's fetching you. Hey, I said.
Keep going, girl.
Sana, listen. Okay, delete. Type babe.
Only me.
Ah.
Only me.
Wow. Ungavuyi apha kanti wena uyacheat.
Oh, shit.
Oh, delete. We wouldn't know. Type pregnant.
Why?
What if he's made someone pregnant and you don't know about it? Okay, there's nothing there, ne?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Morning after pill. Literally. Okay, there's nothing. Oh, wow.
No, I ngiphethe kahle mama.
We can see that.
Yes.
Okay, type bank details.
Yo.
Just type bank.
Uzenenye, sisi.
Just bank, actually. Let's see. That's you and mom. Hi.
Yeah. Hey, thank you.
It's fine. Give him back his phone.
Clean boys.
Come on, don't disappoint me, please.
Thank you very much. Clean boy.
If you disappoint me, we will sit on the street and take off your braids together. Passcode.
Sisborn.
Thank you.
Sisborn.
All right.
Yes,
Okay.
Go WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Nazo.
Okay. Type I love you. She types in English as well, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love you.
Okay.
Sisborn. How?
But that's you at the top, ne? But
Yes,
who's
me.
under you?
Ubanu bongan.
You have dandruff all of a sudden, Kamo.
Ubanu bongan
Who's
ka.
Bongani?
Bongan is my little brother.
Hayi wena.
Do you know about Bongani?
No, I don't know about bongan.
Like I'm telling you.
Ubanu.
Go into the chats.
Sisborn.
Go into the media pictures.
Ngicela ubuke nje. How?
Kamo!
How? Kamu.
Babe.
Yini
I come to work and I end up watching porn.
Hayi
What
bo.
did you send Bongani?
Hayibo.
Like, babe, I'm sorry.
Okay,
Like,
yini le ngakenzela yona oyithola kubongani? Yini?
money.
Ah!
Telephone allowance is too small, Bongani.
Uyazi ukuthi ngiyenzana ngithi mina?
Yo.
Uyazi ngithi ngithengisela amagwinya.
Gayazi.
Anginayi imali.
Gayazi.
So then, how much is the girlfriend allowance that you're getting from Usiyabong?
500 man.
And then Ubongani?
1.2.
So the difference is 700 rand. You sold your soul for 700 rand.
Ntombazana. Uthini unakini manje?
Kamo?
Ngiconga ngihlanyisa.
Bangani, your girlfriend is too small and you don't give me time.
Ay wena.
You're always at Bashimane, Bangani. Uhlezi nali Bashimane bakakho, akikho panako yakakho.
Hey bana.
Awu.
Ungangitsheli lento ngitshela yona wena. Hawu, yini lento ngitshela yona?
Okay, you don't have time for her because you're selling fat cakes. Okay,
No,
fine.
I would
But
say-
what about the time with your friends?
No, I do spend time with my friends ne. But nyaya kuye nyombona ayikuthi angikuye.
But look, should you not
Only 2
prioritize your
minutes
women?
noodles.
Excuse me?
Only 2 minutes noodles. Umbona got 2 minutes noodles.
No, but come on, we're not laughing. You're a shit person.
Maru uyafeba.
Because you're fab, it's not funny.
So yini lento yenzayo?
Nothing's funny.
Kaseptile kuyafeba.
Ufone
And
yini?
akifebela nina kilo wani. Ifebela lwena.
Uyibonile
Khona ukudra amafura, khona ukudra fish oil.
So Bangali is money you use for Usiyabong.
Yeah. Khona ukubasha lena ke. Khona ukubasha. Like every time akona motho o ka reka magunya every time. Ba screen amount e batang every time.
Utsibela uwaze lapho wena.
Why on 500? Go like
Ufunani? Ufunani?
funi mali.
Eh bana.
You want love, you want money.
Like kamarata ne. Like kamarata ne. Ma tšhelete mphang yone like ha nkgotsofatse.
Ntombazane uyafeba.
Like a ka tlo go bua maka, o tle ke go bolela mo. Like a ka tlo go bua maka, mara ne ke morata. Ene ke morata.
Do you love Ubongan?
Abangana ke morata like im use fa tšhelete ga
Manje ngicela ngithi uthanda mina.
Kaloku she wants money. So she's do you want to call Bongan?
Yeah, singamfonela manje ubongani ngizwe ukuthi uthini lo mjitha lo ngoba manje hayi angisayizwa kahle amasimba yonke lento
Give me the phone so I can unlock your phone. Come on. We're not doing this with you.
Welcome. Ngishayisa la intombazane. Ngihlezi ngicomplain.
Hey, I'm doing this for you.
For me.
Yeah, I'm doing this for you.
Mina ngithengisa amagwinya for wena mos.
How?
Ngiphandela wena.
For 500
bana. Ukuthi ube right.
500 is too small, man.
Am I speaking to Bongani?
Hello?
Hi, am I speaking to Bongani?
Yeah, I'm coming back.
We're speaking to Lisa from CMTV. We were through Kamo here. What's Kamo to you?
Webongani mfowethu. Hey, ndoda. Hey, uwenzani nentombi yami?
Hayibo. Kwenzakalani lapho ngikhuluma lo
Wenzani nentombi yami uKamu?
uKamo.
Ehe.
uKamo isembe kanjani?
Bana. Mfana, angifuni uxabana nawe. Angifuni uxabana nawe mfana.
Emfo. Asingakhulumi kakhulu emafoni.
How long have you been together with Ukam?
Hawu, please.
Hello, how long?
Please, ufunani lapho?
Hey, unesikhathi esingakanani sana noKamu?
Hayi wena mfo, wena yazi ngiyanyanyisa uKamo kuzongehla nje.
Answer the damn question.
Uzo ndoda. Ungitshela izinto engingazifuni.
Nginesikhathi esingakanani nje noKamo?
Yes.
Uma pheze ngadlana ngoba manje umile uKamo intombi yami. And sinesikhathi eside sandana naye.
Oh wow.
Kamu unesikhathi esingakanani thandana?
Kamo says she's using you for money and
Hey, assisi.
That's what she just said.
Iqiniso. Hawu. Lendoda.
Awumu wena ufunani wena vele kumuntu wami cause
Ngifunani umuntu wakho ngithandana naye. Ngithandana naye.
Isikhathi esingakanani cause uKamo mina ngazi umuntu kuye and mina noKamo siyathintelana even namafoni angazi ngathola ukuthi le ndoda.
Welcome.
Man.
Ngicela angisafuni ukukhuluma nale ndoda le. Ngicela ungitshele ukuthi uwenzani nalomfana. Yini inkinga yakho?
Sisi ke go boleletse tla gore nna le mfane re dira mos. So but ke explain
So
ke.
wena imali nje egijimisayo nje.
Hele. Mara ke go phandela sisifela.
Uyisifebe.
Yeah, ngisifebe mo wena.
Uyisifebe.
Mo wena. Wena ke sifebe.
Me too, you're a prostitute.
Utholeni
Me too.
manje?
Why?
You're a prostitute.
Do I look
Uyisifebe.
like a prostitute?
Yes.
Yes.
Beyogcona namakhavela la.
Yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi
Yeah.
What does she wear?
Yeah.
umuntu estradi lo uyambona.
But you dated her.
Uyambona ukuthi manje sekenzani?
Are you gonna stay with her?
No. Ngizohlala umuntu kanje ufuna ukugijimisa imali. gijimisa imali
ipuze ke moto go ratang ga ke sa makweng
Oh,
baningi
okay
don't say that. Don't say that.
Next
Come on.
sizobona.
Come on, don't say that.
Sizobona.
Come on, don't say that. Please, actually, get out of my face. Please leave. Don't say that. Don't say that. That's so rude and distasteful.
ungijwayela kabi le ntombazane sis awuna nomahloni
Jonga Kavel.
hey ngiyabonga mani hey sewanginceda nje ngisuse nje
sorry.
imihlolo nje kimi
Yeah, I'm sorry. You just
Aye.
move on with your life.
Ngizophuma
Ne?
ngibeka ngempilo.
Where were you going?
No, hayi bengisathi ngiyangapha nje esipanje.
But you guys were going this way, Masishi.
Akahambi, ngisengizophuma kanje.
Okay, okay, bye, lovely. I'm
Ngiyabonga.
sorry.
Hayi, ngitsayenzani?
I'm so upset. I'm so upset she said that. I'm so upset. Can we not look down on each other's hustles? Like whatever someone is doing, just don't say that. Don't say that. Anyway, I'm gonna close this episode now. It has absolutely gone bananas. My name is Lisa Sirame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirame _ See you later.
Sanbonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niya Tembanana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Don't be yase pebecha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Ngidikela le intro.
Simfanele sima. Uzosho ukuthi akwazi.
Hey, angihlangene nosimami.
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?